सुनते हो रात को ना लेट आना आराम से, कोई जल्दी नहीं।
कैसा पति है तू? एक अबला नारी को जालिम दुनिया में रोजी रोटी कमाने भेजते हुए शर्म नहीं आती?
Yeah, sometime no problem.
If the guy doesn't have any problem and the girl, if she's okay with that, then no issues.
Girls do the hard work. Why shouldn't boys do it for a change?
Actually, girls love it when their husbands cook for them, and
That just shows their love.
I would definitely be okay with it, but I don't know if my husband would. I just feel it would like be demoralizing to him.
पागल हो गए हो तुम? औरत की कमाई पर जियोगे? मर्द हो तुम?
Actually, I cook very well, so I can help my wife and do a lot of things in home, no problem. Sharing everything, no problem. Take care of the kids, no problem.
Yeah, probably if the situation demands, one has to, right? Or what do you do about it?
I wouldn't feel fine. I feel fine if it's same. Like both can work and both can do something like that. I grew up, so I feel it's a good way.
Yes, I'd be glad. No, never. Nothing like that.
पैसे चाहिए घर चलाने के लिए?
Personally, no, I don't think so. I think I'd rather have a guy who's at par with me, and I go to office and he goes to office.
Yeah, absolutely. If she says that, okay, I want to go work out, and you stay at home, make some food, that would be fine for me. Actually, I'm a chef, so it would be fine for me to make food, not else.
It's possible. Then you just have to find your own hobbies, and then the wife can work, and you can stay at home and clean everything. No problem.
Yeah, I don't mind it. So my parents are doing that. My mom's working and my dad's a house husband.
Obviously, yeah, I'd be much more happier.
I wouldn't mind that, but then again, it depends upon whether it's based on love marriages or arranged marriages.
Go out and work, leaving someone at home who's ready to look after everything.
Why not? Why not? If women could do it, so can men.
मैं अपनी माँ जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ।
Excuse me, कौन थी तेरी मॉम यार?
She was a housewife.
क्या?
If I really love the guy and if that's what he wants, then yeah, sure. But if not, I don't think generally based on society, that wouldn't be a right thing to do.
Yeah. If you're working well, then fine. Maybe, yeah.
No, I would rather that me and the guy equally work. We work equal amounts of time and spend equal time at work and at home. So yeah.
नहीं आज नहीं, मेरा सर बहुत दुख रहा है।
फाड़ में जाए तेरा सर।